Today we're going to review the Vada demand-activated hot water recirculating pump. This pump can be installed at or near any fixture where an extended delay is experienced whilst waiting for hot water. It will eliminate the dead leg or wasted water usually experienced whilst waiting for hot water to arrive at the tap. Installation of the Vada V30RC is very simple. It simply needs to be located at or near a problem fixture, a fixture where typically you would have a long draw-off of cold water before hot water arrives. The unit comes with a very detailed set of instructions, some brass connection nipples. The most important aspect of the instructions is to adhere to the pressure requirements, which is 500 kPa maximum inlet pressure to the home. Both hot and cold water pressures need to be equal so that the unit will operate effectively. Connection of the Vada V30RC is as simple as either intercepting the current hot and cold connection points to the fixture, or for a new installation you could put in a dedicated hot and cold connection point for the unit. It's recommended that small ball valves be installed so that the unit can be isolated for service requirements. As you can see here, we've simply cut into the two copper tails and put in a ball valve. Connection can be made, and it's recommended that you use flexible connections, as this will cut down on any humming or noise or vibration that the pump may cause through the pipe system. The final connection of the pump is as simple as connecting the hot connection point that you've made and the cold connection point that you've made with the flexible connections. The unit can be mounted in a horizontal or vertical pattern, it really doesn't matter. You want to avoid screwing it to the back of a thin-walled cupboard because that may cause some drumming. So once we've made the final connections, we turn on the hot connection valve first, as this forces the non-return valve in the unit in the correct direction. We then turn on the cold, and obviously check for leaks. After making the final connections and turning on the water and checking for leaks, you need to then just bleed the closest fixture to the pump. This will encourage any water within the pump head to be evacuated. The electrical connection to the pump is as simple as just a standard plug into a power point. Plug the unit in, switch it on. The activation button, which is only used when hot water is required, is simply positioned in a convenient location. Alternate buttons can be used by simply cutting the cable. It is only low voltage DC, so just a momentary closed switch can be used to activate the pump. When hot water is required at the fixture, simply depress the button for approximately 1 second and that will start the unit running. The unit will run until the temperature sensor in the unit, in the pump head, detects the temperature rise of approximately 3 degrees, and this will indicate that the column of hot water is very close to the fixture. The unit will beep 3 times, indicating that the hot water is available. And turn on your tap, and hot water is there immediately. The Vada V30RC demand-activated hot water pump is suitable for all modern types of hot water service installations, from solar to continuous flow gas to electric storage to gas storage. It's available nationally through Reece plumbing centres and has the potential to save a customer 20 to 30,000 litres of water annually if installed at a single fixture.